It's your boy, Lukin. We're going for a ride today. It's a little cool. You see we got the winter gear on. We're going for a ride. It's about 50 degrees, but we ride anyways. We don't care. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not. I'm trying to speak up, you know, I got this helmet on, so we definitely going for a ride. We got Pepper's bike, you know, the Stoker bike, and we got this my bike. What y'all think about that seat Pepper made? Looks good, don't it? I swear that seat's not. He did a hell of a job on that seat. Looks good, it looks really good, I'm telling you. What's up, baby?
Please do not try any of the crazy stuff you see here on our channel, Mr. Original Concept Garage, as they are always performed on closed off streets. Woo boy!
And this is your boy, Looking Duke. We're at the first gas station here. I think Pepper's probably, he's getting a little cold on me, I think. You see, I'm wearing shorts. Yeah, I'm crazy like that, you know. Wear a windproof top and shorts. Keep you guys out of the sun there. Let's see. Yeah, we're over at the Caney Creek gas station. So you're gonna ride me up to Highland, Kentucky, a little bit longer, and then we're gonna split off and I'm gonna head on home, and I guess he's gonna go back to the house. I just want to make a video, you know. I wish I had something I could make it for y'all to watch this ride, but I don't have my backpack with me. I'll see if I can figure something out real quick for you guys. Oh, thank you. Where's it? Oh, yeah? I built these. We build these. You do? Yeah. Use my contact information. We might be able to build you one. If you got a budget in mind. So, depends on what you want done. Yeah. We built this over this past winter in my garage. We're gonna start building. We got 2 more frames right now. So I'm filming right now, see? Yeah. Your blinker's been on this whole time. Last time it was the other blinker, it's not. That's funny, isn't it? Yeah, it's funny. I should have fixed this earlier. I wish I would have now. Oh well. My mirror. Now we get the business.
You make some cars.
We do, man. I'm actually gonna get something made here soon. Both their names on it. I told you, dude, like, people notice these bikes, they want them, man. We could do or Pepper. We already got business, man. That's awesome. People want bikes made. That's the second person that asked me that already, like, in the last, like, few weeks, actually. The moment he realized he about up. Oh shit! Damn! That's like a drop off right there. My goodness, man. Squeaky, squeaky. Good. with my bottom anyways. My bottom half. I'll just take a time off right here. Some, yeah. My knees are starting to freeze off. I'm done like that. Hell yeah. No shit. Look big on me. Made you look.
What down there,